Well, here it is in black and white, just as I knew it would be. Morningside Dairy said it's not worth their while to come out once the freeway's done. They said it's possible for them to still make rounds down 66, but they're gonna have to double the prices for everything, especially ice cream.
Huh?
You know, isn't it ironic? They tell us that Goshon Freeway is gonna make things better. More people coming out west, they said. More tourists, they said. Yeah, well, you know what? Definitely makes things worse, you know? This sums it up, don't you think? Well? Huh?
Yes, of course, you're right. Those black-hearted milk farmers. Oh, down with the man. Up with the revolution. Don't tread on my milk. Long live the revolution.
This is serious, Doc. No eggs, no butter, no ice cream. No ice cream, Doc.
I can't recall the last time we had an obsession for ice cream. And since when, young lady, have you started using such foul language like gosh darn?
What are we gonna do, Dan? Our baby's withering away and dying. We're helpless to do anything about it.
Maybe we've done enough. Maybe we deserve the fate we've got.
Damn it! That gosh darn interstate.
No. You can't go blaming the interstate. We all have an interest in our own things. We've had no customer days before. We got to do it. We'll do it again.
Yeah, I know.
Remember what you told me then?
I said I believed in you. I said I believed in us. And even if things didn't work out, what matters is that we tried and we made it out in the end.
And at the end of the day, not a sail rung up. I sat at that table over there with my head in my hands. You walked up to me, grabbed my chin, you lifted my head, and you said to me,
I said we have to have faith that we're doing the right thing. Because hit or miss, win or lose, pass or fail, what matters is that we did it together. What really matters is that we love each other.
and if we had quit just then, all the people that we witnessed, all those people that touched our lives on their way to God knows where, everyone from that lady choking on the chicken bone, all the way to that family of Jacks that never had a milkshake before. And what's so funny?
You know, I was just thinking about that Asian family.
Yeah.
You know, they were so fascinated with that milkshake. And the father came, you went over to the father and you convinced him and each one of them to have a milkshake. What a salesman you are. They loved you. They stayed way after dark, long enough for the milk just to seep into their tummies and make them run to the bathroom at the same time.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, that wasn't my fault. I didn't know they were allergic to milk. And besides, what kind of allergy is that anyway?
Oh, I don't know. I do know that they stunk up the bathrooms pretty good. The father felt so bad he ran up to me and he forced a wad of American money into my hand. I tried to stop him. I told him it wasn't necessary, but he kept on insisting. He bought all the candy bars instead.
Are you going to do this all day?
Do what?
Bounce around here looking for things to upset yourself with. When instead you could be doing something much more constructive with your time.
What?
Like what? Like I'll show you like what. How about, may I have this dance, young lady?
Don't be silly.
Silly?
Unlock the door.
Silly, you say? Wait a minute, I got a story for you, then we'll see about Silly. Once upon a time, there was beautiful. And she was in a gymnasium. She had her back up against the wall, her head down, because she wanted to make sure her shoes didn't run off. Everybody was having fun, dancing. She was there. In fact, I think she was about ready to call it a night and just get ready.
She was.
You know, talking to you that night, let me put it this way, it was a lot less scary being on the front lines.
You sure didn't act like you were scared. You came across clever with that clever little joke of yours.
Oh, man, not joke.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wasn't very original, though.
Oh, yes, it was. You remember it?
Oh, sure. Knock.
Who's there?
It's me, Brad.
No, it's Dan. Yeah.
Dan.
Dan who?
Dan Brown. I know you're there. Wait, I see you behind the curtains. I'm not here to sell any Bibles or any vacuum cleaners. I'm just here to ask you to dance. Will you please come out and dance?
See, it's the one. You don't regret your joke, do you?
I know.
You ever tell anyone else that joke?
Especially for you. I did repeat it one time. When I was in France, I was telling how we met.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, that war's been over for quite some time. We could let it go, you know.
I know, it's not that easy, right? You okay?
Yeah, I guess.
Because I got a confession to make.
About what?
Those painkillers I gave you,
Yeah?
they really weren't painkillers.
What were they then?
Well, you see, this guy came to breakfast the other day. He didn't have any money. But he had some acid, or at least it looked like acid. So I figured...
You gave me LSD?
No. I gave us LSD. We were having such a slow time and everything was so anticlimactic and stuff.
Yeah, and that's your idea of a vacation getaway?
Don't be mad.
Really, I was thinking, you know that?
Hey,
What?
feeling a little frisky?
Right here now.
Why not? I mean, we got all the time in the world, ain't nobody coming.
Well, come to think of it, it is kind of getting a little hot in here.